Hello Mushkins, and in this video I will be showing you exactly what slimes we have available with our Willy Wonka themed restock, and we are so excited about all of these slimes. And if you would like to go and look at them on our website, there's a direct link in the description below. This first slime is called Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mellow Delight, and it's named after one of the Wonka chocolate bars in the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie. And this slime is a layered icing slime scented like marshmallow, chocolate and fudge, and you get a separate baggie of marshmallow foam beads and little fake sprinkles that you can add yourself. The only thing with these marshmallow beads is that they don't keep their shape and they sort of disappear in the slime once you mix it in, but it's really fun to mix it in, and the slime smells incredible. This next one is called Gooey Cookie, and it's sort of a spotted icing slime scented like chocolate chip cookies, and then you also get a little chocolate chip cookie charm on top. This one is so cute. This one is called Yummy Scrumptious Crunchy Delight, and it's inspired by those crunchy chocolates with the honeycomb on the inside. And this is a layered slime with a cloud slime on top and then a thin layer of icing slime at the bottom, and then it has little fake chocolate shavings on the top. This slime is unscented, and then once you mix the icing layer and the cloud slime layer, you sort of end up with a slightly poofy cloud slime, but it leans more towards being a icing slime. And then next we have Crunchy Wafer Marshmallow Bar, and I'm in love with this one just because I really love crunchy slimes with lots of little cute add-ins. This one is a medium foam bead and jumbo foam bead crunch slime with lots of fake little heart sprinkles and these sort of rubber wafer pieces, and it is so crunchy. And then this one is unscented. And then next up we have a clear slime called Cabbage Soup, and we decided to make this slime because in the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory the Buckets family always had cabbage soup for supper, so we just decided this could be a really cute savory slime idea. So it's a clear slime scented like yummy gummy candies, and it has all of these little wafer pieces to represent the cabbage and the onions that you put in the soup, and then it also has some green foam beads just to add a little bit of extra texture to the slime. And then next up we have another clear slime, and then this one is called mashed up caterpillars, and it sort of represents the mashed up caterpillars that the Oompa Loompas ate when they still lived in the Amazon before Willy Wonka came to fetch them. So I just thought this would be a really cool slime to make, and this one is unscented. And then this one is our very first DIY clay slime. And then if you are looking for the slime on the website, it's called the DIY Clay Gumbel. And it is a blob of pure clay with a little basic slime filling on the inside with a few little fake sprinkles. And the really cool thing about this slime is that you get to choose the fragrance that you want the slime to be. You can choose Fruit Loop cereal, bacon, or a bubblegum fragrance. And I really love this slime because it represents the 3-course meal bubblegum that Violet eats in the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So I just really love this slime. And then just a little warning about the bacon fragrance: it is really potent and realistic. So if you do not like bacon or savory scented slimes, do not choose this option for this slime. And then it will be really silly to have a Willy Wonka themed restock but not have a chocolate river slime. So this is exactly what this slime is. It's a basic slime scented like hot fudge brownies. It smells so delicious, and it is a swirled basic slime with white and brown. And then the first 10 orders for this slime will receive a free little chocolate themed charm. And then next up we have a really cool slime. This one is called Triple Whipple Waffle Delight, and it is a 3-tone slime, and it's divided in wedges of pink, light brown and dark brown, and it's scented like fudge. And the really cool thing about this slime is that you get a separate 30ml container of red clear slime that you can add to the top to represent the sauce. I just really love this slime. Next slime that we have available in our restock is probably the coolest one from the entire restock, and it's where you can design your very own Wonka Ball. You can choose between 2 or 4 colors and whether or not you want it swirled or layered. You can choose what size slime you want. You can also choose if you want glitters and then what type of sprinkles you want to add yourself, and you can choose if you want a fake little cherry charm on top as well. I really love this option because you can be so creative, and you can also choose between the fragrances of fudge, brownie batter or bubblegum. And then I decided in this video to show you some examples of what you can create, and I decided to take the dark brown and the white icing slime colors and to swirl them together, and then just added a bunch of stuff to the top. And then I also just decided to add in another clip of showing you what a layered slime would look like, and adding all the sprinkles and things that I didn't add with the previous slime. So these are all just ideas, but you can really do your very own thing with this option on the website. We have very limited stock of this one just because it's very difficult to make so many custom slimes. And then next up we have another clear slime, and this one is called Candy Cane. It is unscented and it comes with a swirl of white and red food coloring, and it represents those pretty little candy canes in the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory where the chocolate river flows through the whole factory. And yeah, we just really like the little candy canes. I really love the end color of the slime. It really looks like some type of milky candy. It looks so good. And next up we have a clear slime and gold pigment combo that you can buy on the website that's cheaper than if you were to buy a plain clear slime and the gold pigment separately. So it's just a nice on sale item, and this one is called Golden Ticket, and you get to mix the pigment powder into the slime yourself, and it was a lot of fun. And it turns into this really stunning bright gold slime. This next one is called Gummy Candy, and it is a unscented clear slime with lots of neon glitters as well as iridescent white glitters, and it's just so pretty. And then this one also comes with 2 randomly colored fake little gummy bear charms. I love these gummy bear charms, and for this video I just decided to add a whole bunch to the slime. Oh my goodness, this next slime is probably also one of the coolest slimes that we have available in this restock, and it is a fishbowl slime with lots of fake sprinkles and lots of little iridescent glitters. It is just so beautiful, and you get a little separate baggie of glow in the dark stars that makes this slime glow so brightly. It is incredible. And then this slime is sort of inspired by all the innovative candies that Willy Wonka comes up with during the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie. And it is called glow in the dark candy, of course. And then I just decided to add in a little clip of what the glow-in-the-dark feature of this slime looks like. And I actually posted this on Instagram earlier in the week last week. So it shines so brightly, you just need to hold it against the light for a little while. And then I also decided to make this video a little bit more interesting. I decided to show the mixing of this slime as well. And then another really awesome thing about this restock is that all orders that are placed before next week Wednesday will be entered into a random competition where you can win a golden ticket slime. And with this golden ticket slime, you will get a discount code on the side that you can use with your next purchase. And we've got discount codes from 10% off up until 30% off, and even some codes that will give you free shipping with your next order, and some codes that will give you 50 Rand to 100 Rand off with your next purchase. So it's just a really awesome feature, and I just decided to show you in this video what an order like that will look like. You can order any slime on the website and be entered into this really awesome golden ticket giveaway. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing all of these slimes. And please let me know in the comments if you have any Willy Wonka themed slime ideas of your own. I would love to read them. And if you have any more questions about any of these slimes that were mentioned in this video, just go have a look at our website. I will put a direct link to this collection in the description below. And just thank you so much again for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And to end of this video, I just decided to add in a clip of some slime waffles and ice cream.